Hello, cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling an essential topic for all pet parents out there: the 4 foods you should never feed your cat. While we all adore treating our feline friends, it's vital to know that some snacks safe for us can be harmful to them. So, stick around as we unveil these dangerous foods to ensure your cat stays healthy and happy. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about cat welfare and enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable insights and tips for keeping your feline friends safe. Let's get started and learn how to protect our beloved pets from these common yet hazardous foods. First on our list of no-go foods for cats is something that might surprise many of you: chocolate. Yes, the sweet treat we humans often adore is actually toxic to our feline companions. Chocolate contains substances called theobromine and caffeine, which cats and dogs cannot metabolize effectively. Even small amounts of chocolate can lead to severe symptoms in cats, including vomiting, diarrhea, rapid breathing, and even heart arrhythmias. In worst-case scenarios, chocolate ingestion can be fatal. Why is chocolate so dangerous? Well, the theobromine and caffeine stimulate the cat's nervous system and heart too much, leading to potential complications. Dark chocolate and unsweetened baking chocolate are especially potent and, therefore, even more hazardous. If you suspect your cat has eaten chocolate, it's crucial to act fast. Symptoms may not appear immediately, but early intervention is key. Contact your vet as soon as possible for advice on what to do next. Remember, the best treatment is prevention. Always keep chocolate and chocolate-containing products well out of reach of your curious cat. After all, their health and safety are in our hands. Continuing from chocolate, the second food group that poses a significant risk to your feline friends is onions and garlic. This category not only includes raw onions and garlic but also extends to their powdered, cooked, or dehydrated forms. Surprising as it may be, these common kitchen staples can wreak havoc on a cat's health. Why are onions and garlic harmful to cats? Both onions and garlic contain compounds that can cause oxidative damage to red blood cells in cats, leading to a condition known as Heinz body anemia. This condition is characterized by the presence of damaged red blood cells that the body then rejects, leading to anemia. Symptoms of this can include lethargy, weakness, decreased appetite, pale gums, and in severe cases, even respiratory distress. It doesn't take much to cause harm. Even a small amount ingested over time can accumulate and lead to toxic effects. This is particularly concerning because onions and garlic are often found in a variety of foods, including some baby foods, which might be unsuspectingly offered to pets by their owners. What to do if your cat consumes onions or garlic? If you know or suspect that your cat has eaten any amount of onions or garlic, it's essential to monitor them closely for signs of illness and contact your veterinarian immediately. The vet may recommend blood work to assess the extent of the damage and decide on the necessary treatment, which might include supportive care like fluids or oxygen, or more intensive treatments depending on the severity. Preventive measures include ensuring that your cat does not have access to table scraps containing these ingredients and being mindful of the ingredients in the food you provide to them. Always check labels, especially if you're offering your cat any form of human food. Awareness and caution are key to preventing accidental ingestion. Moving on to our third critical food item that must be kept away from our feline companions: caffeine. This stimulant is found not just in your morning cup of coffee but also in tea, energy drinks, soda, and even some medications and supplements. It's a ubiquitous substance that poses a serious risk to your curious cat. The dangers of caffeine: cats are extremely sensitive to caffeine. Even small amounts can cause rapid onset symptoms, including restlessness, rapid breathing, heart palpitations, muscle tremors, and fits. The reason behind this heightened sensitivity is that cats metabolize caffeine much slower than humans, allowing toxic levels to build up in their system swiftly. What makes caffeine so hazardous? Once ingested, caffeine quickly absorbs into the cat's bloodstream, stimulating the central nervous system, heart, and muscles. This can lead to increased blood pressure and, in severe cases, cause cardiac arrhythmias or neurological issues. the symptoms can escalate rapidly, making it a potentially life-threatening situation. In case of caffeine ingestion, if you suspect your cat has consumed caffeine, immediate veterinary attention is critical. There is no antidote for caffeine poisoning, so treatment typically involves supportive care to manage symptoms. This may include intravenous fluids to help flush the caffeine out of the cat's system, medications to control heart rate and seizures, and close monitoring of vital signs. Prevention tips: always keep caffeinated beverages, foods, and any household items containing caffeine out of your cat's reach. Be especially mindful of items like diet pills or energy supplements, which can contain concentrated doses of caffeine. Educating all household members about the risks can further safeguard your pet from accidental exposure. Lastly, we turn our attention to a seemingly innocuous but actually perilous food for cats: grapes and raisins. While the exact toxic substance within grapes and raisins that affects cats and dogs remains unidentified, the risk they pose is well documented and severe. Even a small quantity of grapes or raisins can lead to sudden kidney failure in susceptible felines. Understanding the risk: unlike some foods that present immediate symptoms upon ingestion, grapes and raisins might not show their toxic effects right away. However, once symptoms do appear, they can be severe and include vomiting, lethargy, and depression. More alarmingly, kidney failure can develop within days, which can be indicated by a decrease in urine output. This condition is not only distressing for both pet and owner but can also be challenging to treat. Why are grapes and raisins so dangerous? The toxic mechanism of grapes and raisins in cats is not fully understood, but the effect on the kidneys can be acute and, in some cases, irreversible. Kidney function is crucial for filtering waste products from the blood, and impairment can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, causing severe illness or death. Action to take if ingestion occurs: if you suspect that your cat has eaten grapes or raisins, it is imperative to seek veterinary care immediately, even if no symptoms are present. Early intervention can significantly impact the outcome. Treatment may involve inducing vomiting, administering activated charcoal to prevent further absorption of the toxin, and initiating intravenous fluids to support kidney function. Prevention is key. To avoid the risk altogether, ensure grapes and raisins are kept well out of reach of your cat. Educate family members, especially children, about the dangers these foods pose to pets. Opt for cat-safe treats that provide nutritional benefits without the risks associated with human food. As we wrap up our exploration of the 4 foods you should never feed your cat, it's clear that the key to a healthy and happy feline companion lies in awareness and prevention. Chocolate, onions and garlic, caffeine, and grapes and raisins each pose unique risks to your cat's health, demonstrating the crucial difference between human and feline dietary needs. Understanding these differences is vital in preventing accidental poisoning and ensuring the longevity and well-being of our beloved pets. Remember, cats rely on us to make the best choices for their health. Simple steps like keeping harmful foods out of reach and educating all household members on safe feeding practices can make a significant difference. Always prioritize cat-safe foods and consult with your veterinarian when introducing any new items into your cat's diet. In conclusion, our cats are more than just pets, they're family. Protecting them from harmful foods is a fundamental aspect of our responsibility as pet owners. Let's commit to keeping their environment safe, ensuring they lead long, joyful lives by our sides. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful tips on cat care and wellness. Share this video with fellow cat lovers to spread awareness and help keep all our furry friends safe. Have any questions or additional tips on keeping cats healthy? Leave a comment below, we'd love to hear from you.